Today we are looking at Nosh cooking robots. So it can cook about 400 plus meals. Looks like the bachelor's dream, right? Well, yes and no. So what is the yes for? Yes, it can cook your meal. It can take stuff from the compartment and it can cook you stuff. But it can't cut the vegetables or chicken, and it can't weigh the stuff as well. So you have to weigh the stuff one by one, and you have to put it in the compartment which it tells you to. It will tell you in which compartment you have to put which. So once you do that, it will start taking oil and water and vegetables from the compartments, and it will start cooking for you. So is it worth it? Well, it cooks fine. Why fine? Because the pasta we made sold out in 4 minutes. It took about 25 minutes to make it. It made it in 25 minutes and the pasta was gone in an instant. So rating is awesome, but needs a little more